want me to turn it down?
Oh, no thanks. It's rather pleasant, actually.
Insufficient clearance.
Time to turn up the heat.
Is it just me, or is it getting hotter? Jeez. Heating controls must be busted. It's like cooking on coals in here. Oh.
Coast is clear.
You're good. You're good.
Motion detected. Activating
Glass wall
dynamic.
looks delicate. Come on, put your back into it.
What on earth happened?
My fault. I was trying to make it do the robot. I'll go fetch a broom.
Hey, Ferguson. Your new arrival just made a complete mess of my session.
Somerset.
Think so? He just took control of my unit and smashed the glass wall. Said he was trying to make it do the robot.
That's Somerset. He cracks me up.
You're not upset?
Just go easy on him, okay? It's his first day.
Unbelievable.
Cleaning robot to test area 1. Cleaning robot to test
Excuse me.
area 1.
David Somerset, fresh off the boat. What's this about?
I'm a kinetics instructor. I teach the androids to understand and replicate human body language, like postures and gestures, facial microexpressions, oculesics and haptics. Well, these are key to reduce the uncanny valley effect and evoke genuine empathy towards our robotic companions.
I like it better already.
Cleaning in progress. Insufficient clearance. Insufficient clearance.
Starting to feel unwelcome. There's no fear.